Assalamualaikum. Welcome back to my channel English with Sadia, and it's me Sadia. So today we will learn daily use English for beginners and learn English speaking practice. So let's get started. What's your name? My name is Sadia. What do you do? I'm a student. Where are you from? I'm from Rangpur. Do you like sport? Yes, I like badminton. What time do you sleep? I sleep at 10 p.m. Is he a student? Yes, he is a student. How often do you read? I read every night. What's your favorite drink? My favorite drink is tea. Where does your sister live? She lives in Kisharganj. What do you do on weekends? I go hiking on weekends. How many languages can you speak? I can speak 3 languages. Are you third? No, I'm not third. Do you know him? Yes, I know him. Can you hear me? No, I can't. Are you there? Yes, I am. And that's all for today. The necessary of for those who first learning English. And like, subscribe, share and comment to our channel.